have different evidence for dark matter existence which we have discussed so far, but there should be any way to detect it if it exists. Let's discuss these methods in this video. We talked about an elementary particle which holds a strong position to be candidate that dark matter is made up of called axion. But axions are 10 to the power minus 11 times mass of an electron, which is hard to imagine. Thus, they are highly penetrable through any obstacle and hence very impossible to detect them. It is said that if the whole visible universe is supposed to be a wall from bricks, then axion can pass through it without any collision. So, is there any way we can detect it? Yes. The solution was given by famous physicist Pierre Schiavone, also called Axion Man. He stated that axion under magnetic field gets converted into photon. We can detect this photon, which then we can confirm the existence of axion. But this process is reversible. Imagine a coffee machine. When you put water, machine convert it into coffee, but this coffee machine is special. It also filters coffee and gives water. There we suppose coffee machine as magnetic field, water as axion and coffee as photon. Thus, under the strong magnetic field, photon can be converted into axion and axion can be converted into photon. Now, imagine a wall where we have detector on the other side and light source in opposite side. We apply magnetic field both sides. If we switch light on, then since the light cannot travel through wall, so detector should give negative result. But we since applied magnetic field, now as photon travels from magnetic field, photon can be converted into axion and this axion can easily travel through wall. But in opposite side, we have again applied magnetic field. Now this axion will again change into photon and then the detector will detect the light. So even if the wall was there, our detector was able to detect light through it. It provides a strong evidence for existence of axion. However, the wall can be made as large as the radius of visible universe. Imagine a quasar, which is the most bright object at a large distance from Earth. Now, when light travels from it, the cosmic microwave background radiation acts as wall and stop it, but some will convert it into axion, and as they do not interact with any non-particle, they will reach Earth and we deploy our detector with magnetic field inside. The axion will then convert it into photon, and when we detect this photon at a particular frequency, the existence of axion can be confirmed. Now finally talk about its application. As the light only travels straight and can get blocked by any object in front of it, we had to use optical fiber around the Earth for communication and it cost a huge amount of money. But when axions are used, it will pass through Earth from one point to another or opposite, which makes our communication fast and in less expense. There are plenty of other applications if we detect this, which is yet not been achieved by any scientist so far. We hope in near future some of our viewers could do shine the light on mystery of dark matter. Thank you guys for watching this video and being on journey with me so far in this series. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.